This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Christine Jones. Welcome to the lovely and friendly community of Shadow Brook. This well-kept and move-in ready home features an open floor plan, tile flooring throughout, new paint, new bathtub and walk-in shower, and new toilets. It also includes hurricane window covers and handicap double rail on-screen room staircase. The Shadow Brook community, with its low HOA fees and no age restrictions, offers resort-style amenities such as Olympic-size heated pool, clubhouse, pool tables, shuffleboard courts, library, and multiple nature trails for your enjoyment. And here at Shadow Brook, you own your land, so there is no lot fee. HOA fee includes cable TV, internet, water, sewer, and trash pickup. This is a great location for easy access to Highway 41, I-75 and Highway 301. It's near Bradenton, Sarasota, St. Pete, Tampa, and of course many beautiful beaches. Don't miss out on the opportunity to make this lovely home your own. Roof and roof over are 2 years old. Tile floor and subfloor are 5 years old. Air conditioner is 8 years old. For more information, review the details below.